Most app builders focus on speed. Rocket.new says that's not enough. They call themselves the world's first vibe solutioning platform. Sounds interesting, but what does it actually mean for a beginner trying to make a mobile app? In this tutorial-style review, I'll break down Rocket's 3 core steps: solve, build, intelligence, and give you my honest take on where it shines and where it stumbles. Rocket.ai, found at Rocket.new, is not just another AI coding tool. According to their site, over 1.5 million people across 180 countries have tried it. The core idea is unique. Most AI tools help you build faster, but Rocket claims to tell you what to build and how to win after you build it. They achieve this through 3 connected capabilities. First is solve, the thinking phase. You describe any market problem or opportunity, and Rocket returns research, evidence, and a clear recommendation, including market analysis, PRD, and even go-to-market strategy. Second is build. You take that context directly into production-grade app creation using natural language, with one-click deploy for mobile apps, web apps, landing pages, and internal tools, plus Figma import. Third is intelligence. Rocket continuously monitors competitors for pricing changes, new features, hiring signals, and daily briefs, so you always know what moves next. You can start anywhere, describe a problem, get a brief, ship without re-explaining, then track competition. They offer 25,000 plus templates, connectors to your own APIs and tools, and enterprise-grade security like SOC2 and GDPR out of the box. Now for the positives. Users consistently praise Rocket's ability to one-shot a working app, saying it's 100x better than Bolt or Lovable, with phenomenal output and time savings. The all-in-one system from research to deployment to competitive intel is genuinely innovative. For beginners, the structured briefs remove guesswork. As for cons, the intelligence feature requires continuous monitoring, meaning likely an ongoing subscription, which could get expensive. Also, while 1.5 million people have tried it, there's no showcase of actually published mobile apps made by beginners, so real-world reliability is unproven. There are 4 pricing plans for a Rocket platform focused on building production-ready websites, landing pages, web and mobile apps, free at $0 per month with unlimited team members and 20 free credits that never expire. Pro at $25 per month, offering 100 free monthly credits. Rocket at $50 per month, providing 250 free monthly credits, along with consultant-grade solutions and competitive intelligence. And Booster at $250 per month, with 1,500 free monthly credits, advanced features for power users, and options for SSO, data localization, premium support, and onboarding. In conclusion, Rocket.new is incredibly promising for beginners who want guidance beyond just code. But the lack of transparent pricing and mobile-specific details means you should test the free version carefully before committing. If it delivers as advertised, it could replace multiple tools. Just go in, knowing the costs and limitations aren't fully disclosed up front. Thanks for watching, and see you later.